Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enter the split screen mode on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should be similar with the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now to enter split screen, all you have to do is have at least two applications running on the background. So simply launch two applications. So I'll just launch two applications. I'll launch the settings, and then also I'll launch the messages app. Now once you have launched two applications, all you have to do is access the recent apps menu. Now to access the recent apps, simply tap on this recent app button on the bottom left of the screen, and you'll see all the applications that you've currently launched. Now find the application that you'd like to use in split screen mode, and then tap and hold for a few seconds until you see these icons. Now from the icons, simply tap on the split screen icon. So the split screen icon has two boxes, and it's the second one from the top. So all you have to do is simply tap on it, and then from here choose the second application that you'd like to use in split screen mode. So for me, I'll just tap on the second application, and there you go. You have successfully entered split screen on the Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to enter the split screen mode on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.